Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Clipchamp. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already imported a video that we will use in this tutorial. Now let's add the video to the timeline. Then just click on this icon right here. Now start your cropping, and then once you are done with the cropping, just press enter and you can see the change. But let's say you want to change the crop that you have done it before, then again, click on the crop icon and start the process again. And once it's done, then press enter. Also, if you want to change the ratio of the video to 9.6 or to any other ratio, just click on this icon and change the ratio. That's how you crop in Clipchamp. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to know how to add captions in Clipchamp, then watch this video. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never say